choreographed by Dan Albro. It is a 32 count 4-wall beginner intermediate level line dance with no tags and no restarts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts before going around and doing 4 walls of the dance so that you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Blood, Sweat, and Beer. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to do toe and heel switches. So we're going to point our right toe to the right side, quickly step your right next to your left, point your left toe to the left side. Quickly step your left next to your right and put your right heel forward. Quickly step your right next to your left and put your left heel forward. We're now going to quickly step our left next to our right. We're going to do a ball cross. So step that left foot next to your right, cross your right over your left. We're going to quickly step our left foot to the left side and place your right heel into the right diagonal. We're now going to repeat that to the right. So we're going to step our right foot next to our left, cross our left over our right, quickly step your right to the right side and place your left heel forward. And then you're going to quickly step your left foot next to your right. Let's try it with some counts. We're pointing our toe to the side. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and. Section 2, we're going to rock forward with our right foot, recover onto your left, and you're going to do a right coaster step, stepping right back, left together, right forward. We're now going to rock forward with our left, recover back on our right, and we're going to do a half shuffle over our left shoulder. We're going to make a quarter turn, stepping our left foot to the left side, step your right foot next to your left, and make another quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping forward with your left. You'll be facing 6 o'clock. So let's try that with some counts. We're rocking forward. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 3, we're going to rock forward with our right, recover onto our left, and we're going to do a right coaster step, stepping right back, left together, right forward. We're now going to step forward with our left. We're going to make a half pivot over our right shoulder, putting our weight onto our right foot. You're now going to continue your turns over your right shoulder. You're going to make a half turn, stepping back with your left, and then a half turn, stepping forward with your right to return back to 12 o'clock. So let's try that with some counts. Weights on your left foot, we're going to rock and coaster. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And of course, if you don't want to turn, you can replace that with 2 walks. Section 4, in our final section of the dance, we're going to rock our left foot to the left side, recover onto your right, and we're going to weave left behind, right side, left cross. We're now going to rock our right foot to the right side, recover onto your left, and we're going to do a weave quarter turn with a quick step. So we're going to step our right behind our left, make a quarter turn, stepping forward with your left, step your right next to your left, and then quickly step your left next to your right to start the dance all over again. So let's try that with some counts. We're rocking to the side. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and then you're ready to start with your toe switches all over again. So let's face the front. We're going to do it 1 time through with steps and 1 time through with counts. Weight is on your left foot. You're doing your toe switches. Point, step, heel step, cross side, heel step, rock, recover, right coaster step, rock, recover, half shuffle, rock, recover, coaster step, step, half pivot, half, side rock, recover, weave, behind side, cross side, rock, recover, weave, quarter turn with a quick step, and then you're ready to start the dance all over. Let's do it with some counts. Weights on that left, you're pointing your right toe to the side. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 and you're ready to start all over. So now we're going to go all the way around. We're going to do 4 walls of the dance. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, we're going to do counts. Weight starts on your left foot. You're starting with your points. Point, step, heel step, cross side, heel step, rock, recover, coaster step, rock, recover, half shuffle, rock, recover, coaster step, step, half pivot, half. Now you're rock and weave, rock, recover, behind side cross, rock, recover, behind quarter forward ball, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. And point step, heel step, cross side, heel step, cross side, heel step, rock and coaster step, step, rock, recover, half shuffle, rock, recover, coaster step, step, half pivot, half, rock and weave, rock, recover, behind side cross, rock, recover, behind quarter forward step, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. And then you're ready to dance the rest of the dance through. I hope this helps you learn blood, sweat, and beer. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.